Hi guys, TonieSha here. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a quick tutorial on how to add a background to your screen recording using iMovie. We're gonna be using two apps for today, iMovie and Phonto. Both of these apps are free to download in App Store. Let's pull up Phonto. On the bottom, click the camera. I'm gonna pick the plain image. On the top, click the size, click customs, then type 1280 by 720. This is a perfect size for YouTube video. So tap color button. You can pick any color, and I'm gonna be using a bright color here. Let's pick one. So once you're done selecting colors and everything, on the top right corner, click this arrow, tap use and save. Then now let's go to Google and type iPhone 6 PNG, because that is the phone that I'm using right now. Pick a photo that has a transparent background on it. Then I'm gonna save this image to my camera roll. And now let's go back to Phonto. Click these three lines down here, click add image, then I'm gonna click done. So this is gonna be, it looks like on my project. I'm gonna tap the size slider here. I'm gonna make it bigger. So later we're gonna put the video here on the iPhone image. You can put any text on this side. So I'm gonna put here is the title of my vlog. You can add more decorations on it to make it prettier. But if you're not familiar on how to utilize Phonto, I have a separate video which will help you step by step on how to use Phonto. I'm gonna put the link on the description box. So going back, you can use any fonts on your text. You can add strokes and background on your text. Then I'm gonna align this on the center. I'm gonna put shadows on it so that it will look like 3D. So this is gonna be, it looks like, and then hit save. Then let's go to iMovie and start a new project. Tap the photo and tap create movie. As you can see, the photo is moving around. Tap the video, then tap enable. pinch it just to make sure it's not moving. Just make this a little longer, maybe the length of your video. Then click the plus sign button here, click the video, then select your screen recording, then click three dots, click picture in picture. As you can see, it has a square image on it and has a border around it. So I'm gonna tap the magnifying glass option here to zoom in until it fits on the iPhone. Then if you want to move the video, click the arrow option. So there you have it. You have your screen recording on your iPhone. It is just with the right positioning. If this video find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and might consider subscribing so that you won't miss any of my video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.